You're talking to someone new, the conversation starts great, but then, silence. Your mind goes blank. Panic. Sound familiar? Here's why this keeps happening, and the simple system that'll make you a conversation master. Most people think good conversationalists are just born that way. But that's not true. The real reason you run out of things to say isn't because you're boring, it's because you're trying to be perfect instead of being curious. When you focus on saying the right thing, your brain freezes. You get so worried about impressing them that you forget the most important conversation skill: listening. Here's what's really happening. Your brain has two conversation modes: performance mode and curiosity mode. In performance mode, you're thinking, what should I say next? Do I sound smart? Are they bored? This kills conversations because you're not actually present. But in curiosity mode, you're genuinely interested in the other person. You listen for details, ask follow-ups, and build on what they share. Endless conversations start here. So how do you switch to curiosity mode? 3 simple techniques. Technique 1. The detail dig. When someone mentions anything, their job, weekend plans, favorite food, dig deeper. Instead of, that's cool, ask, what's the best part about that? Or, how did you get into that? Technique 2. The story bridge. Connect their story to your experience, but keep it short. That reminds me of when I, then bounce back. But what happened next in your situation? Technique 3. The emotion echo. Listen for feelings, not just facts. If they say, I had a crazy day at work, don't ask about the work, ask about the feeling, crazy good or crazy stressful. Here's a bonus. Always have 3 go-to curiosity starters ready. What's been the highlight of your week? What are you excited about lately? What's something you've learned recently? These work because they're open-ended and positive people love sharing good things. Your challenge. Try one of these techniques in your next conversation. Focus on being curious, not impressive. You'll be amazed how much people want to talk when someone actually listens. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest conversation struggle? And if you want more confidence-building tips that actually work, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video where we tackle the fear of saying the wrong thing.